Welcome to Grammar for Kids. Today we are going to explore simple versus compound sentences. Sentences come in different flavors. Simple sentences have one subject and one predicate, like Sarah sings. Compound sentences have two subjects and two predicates connected by a conjunction. Combining sentences can make your writing more varied and interesting. Here are some examples of simple sentences versus compound sentences. Number 1, I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books, but my brother prefers watching movies. Number 2, the sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west and the moon rises in the east. Number 3, the rain stopped. The rain stopped, so we decided to go for a walk. And there you go. You have learned about simple versus compound sentences. Keep watching for more grammar adventures.